Odisha government has assured teachers that it will carefully study the recent Supreme Court verdict making the Teachers Eligibility Test or TET mandatory for recruitment and continuation in service. School and Mass Education Minister Nityanand Gond said the government respects the ruling, but teachers' welfare and interest will also be kept in mind before any decision is made. The Supreme Court bench of Justices Dipankar Datta and Augustine George Mashi, all teachers with more than 5 years of service left, must compulsory clear the TET. Those who fail will either have to resign or face compulsory retirement. The judgment has triggered anxiety among many in-service teachers who have not yet cleared the eligibility test. Teachers Association have also voiced concerns about job security. Minister Gond assured that all aspects will be reviewed and a balanced approach will be taken while implementing the order.
सर्वोच्च न्यायालय आदेश को आमे टिके तर्जमा करिवु आमे शिक्षकों स्वार्थ कथा भी देखा भी आवश्यक थिला किंतु जेहेतु सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ये आदेश अच्छी समस्त टीटी बाध्यतामूलक निश्चय आपको आम तर्जमा कला परे ही आम ये कौन पदक्षेप निया जाई पारिबो से कथा आम परवर्ती समय रे आम आपको निष्पत्ति नबु।